ఎస్పెషల్లీ ఆ సీన్ అఫ్కోర్స్ అన్ని సీన్స్లో మీ పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ టాప్ నాచే, బట్ ఎస్పెషల్లీ ఆ కిడ్నాప్ సీన్ అదే ఏదైతే ఉందో కార్లో, అక్కడి నుంచి మళ్ళీ మీరు యూనో ఇంటికి వచ్చి ఆ స్ట్రెచ్ ఆ సీన్ అంతా కూడా ఆ ఎమోషన్ని ఇంత బాగా క్యారీ చేశారు అనిపించింది. ఇంకా దాంట్లో అయితే ఆ కిడ్నాపింగ్ సీన్లో అయితే ఓన్లీ ఫేస్ తోటి దట్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్స్ అదంతా, లైక్ హౌ డిడ్ యూ ప్రిపేర్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్ దానికి బిఫోర్ కావచ్చు అదంతా?
Uh, I mean, you just need to know what's happening before that and after that. Because, see, she does not know that that's going to happen to her. Mike telling that she's going to get kidnapped. But I think a lot of rehearsal will help because those are things where you can't be spontaneous. Like, you'll have to discuss every movement. It is like choreography. Even the part where, towards the end, epilogue lo, యాక్చువల్లీ ప్రకృతి రిసార్ట్లో ఏం జరిగింది అనేది చూపించేటప్పుడు కూడా it was choreographed. Like Venu sir and all of us, we sat and we were like going through how it should happen because it is just like, it is actually like dance, it's just like action. All of these things will have to be choreographed. So going through them step by step will really help you as an actor, but also when you take a step back and think about it, it's like the more takes you're doing, you're like, I think Naku, it was a very 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 big learning curve to understand how to approach a role, how to approach a scene, how to keep the emotion sort of going, because the scene that we shot before that we shot 9 months back. So to come back to the film again and continue where we left off, Anidhi, you need to have a lot of clarity on the story. Only then, like, you need to be in sync with the director. Only then you'll be able to continue, like take it from where you left off. So I felt like all those discussions, all those talking, all of those like almost like arguments. నేను వేణు సత్త సార్ కాదు సార్, ఇది ఎందుకు ఇలా ఉంది, ఇది ఇలాగే ఉండాలి కదా, ఇవన్నీ, like all of those explanations, everything was worth it. Like I can't take credit for all of these scenes myself. I would never do that. I'll definitely have to give it to Venu sir as well.
ఓకే. అండ్ అలానే అంజలి గారు అండ్ అనన్య గారి కాంబినేషన్లో మీరు యాక్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు, అంటే ఆఫ్ ద సెట్స్ అనుకోవచ్చు, బికాజ్ ఆన్ ద సెట్స్ నాకు తెలిసి స్టార్టింగ్ మగవా సాంగ్ తప్ప మిగతా అంతా ఎక్కడ దట్ హ్యాపీనెస్ సీన్స్ లేవు కాబట్టి ఏదైనా ఫన్నీ మూమెంట్స్?
No, courtroom lo kuda we used to laugh and joke about things. And see, Prakash Raj sir is one of the nicest people I've met. Prakash Raj sir, he used to make like the three of us feel so comfortable. Like Vinod Garu, PS Vinod sir, the cinematographer, Prakash Raj sir, Anjali and Ananya and me, we used to have lunch together almost every day when we shot the courtroom parts. Intlo nunchi he used to make food, bring it, and then just made us feel so much at home. And even during the courtroom parts, he'll make sure that actually sir ఎప్పుడు మన సైడ్లో ఉండేవాళ్ళు ఎక్కువ. He'll just sit there as the advocate, as Nandaji, but he'll always come here and talk to us. And so it was always a switch on, switch off. Like after we finished with the shots, he's always on this side talking about stuff, joking, and immediately he'll go there and he'll be like, everything that you saw in the film. So I felt like all of those times were, all that discussions we had with Anjali and Ananya. I feel like Ananya, we'll see great things from her, like in the future. And even Anjali is she's a very seasoned actress. Like she's done so many films. She's been part of so many like variety of roles. It was amazing to see all of their like inputs. So, and I was genuinely like personally very very happy for the two of them, that like our film's doing really well.
అండ్ ఆ ఫైట్ సీన్ ప్రకాష్ రాజ్ గారికి పవన్ కళ్యాణ్ గారికి అది ఎలా అనిపించింది మీకు?
I was like, it's very unrealistic for something like that to happen in a court, but I think it felt so real because it was like it was not rehearsed also, and it was so intense. Like akkada chustunnappudu it felt very real. It was like ippudu కొడతారా ఏం చేస్తారు, it was actually like that. It was amazing to see it there in person.
అండ్ దిల్ రాజు గారి ప్రొడక్షన్లో సెకండ్ మూవీకి వర్క్ చేశారు వకీల్ సాబ్ తోటి. అబౌట్ దట్
I feel incredibly happy because I think Dil Raju sir's banner is the biggest banner in Telugu, and also I'm glad that the kind of films like Sir Bannerlo Ochina, like his filmography is something that you need to be like you can be really proud of. And it's hard being a producer, you know, especially on a film on a scale of a project like this. So Sir ki ee film valla Sir dreams fulfill ayindi annappudu to work with Pavan sir. I think I'm incredibly happy that I got to be on this, you know, filmmaking journey with him. And because Dilraju sir will never forget Vakil Saab. And I'm incredibly happy that this film turned out to be a massive, massive success for him.
మీకు వచ్చిన బెస్ట్ కాంప్లిమెంట్ ఏది నివేద గారు మూవీ పరంగా? ఐ థింక్ నాని గారు చూసారా మూవీ, మీకు ఏమన్నా చెప్పారా?
Actually, ఇంకా లేదు, he's filming, so he didn't get to watch it yet. కానీ no, the ones I heard was every time నన్ను క్యారెక్టర్ పేరుతో పిలవడం, ఎవరైనా లైక్ పల్లవి అని పిలుస్తున్నప్పుడు I feel very like అది I can't say what I feel because that's actually what you want to hear, right? And నాకు చాలా మంది I saw a lot of women coming out of the theaters and giving their opinion about how they wanted their friends, their male friends, their husbands, their boyfriends. They wanted, all of them wanted them to watch the film and, you know, like understand what they're saying and all of that. There was a guy who came out of the theater and he was saying, I want all of my male friends to watch the film. It's nice to hear those things because, see, okka chota we are talking about the biggest star in Telugu industry, you know, his comeback film. But also, along with that, the sentence is never complete without, you know, talking about the story. So I'm glad that we were able to give them that balance. And వాళ్ళు థియేటర్ నుంచి బయట వస్తున్నప్పుడు they are talking about the film and అందరూ చూడాల్సింది, యునో మల్టిపుల్ టైమ్స్ చూస్తున్నారు. అండ్ నాకు చాలా టైం దొరికింది కాబట్టి I was just on social media, just reading and going through all of it. So I think all of this combined was just how people accepted this film as their own was the biggest compliment.
ఓకే, ఇక్కడ రజనీకాంత్ గారితో, కమల్ హాసన్ గారితో, పవన్ కళ్యాణ్ గారితో, యూనో లైక్ వర్కింగ్ అందరూ టాప్ స్టార్స్ తోటి యాక్ట్ చేయడం, ఈ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ గురించి ఏం చెప్తారు మీరు? అది కూడా కొంచెం ఎర్లీగా అనుకోవచ్చు.
అంటే with all of them, I think the biggest takeaway for me is that I got to work on a film where నేను ప్లే చేసిన క్యారెక్టర్ హ్యాస్ అ సబ్స్టాన్షియల్ రోల్ ఇన్ ద ఫిల్మ్, లైక్ దేర్ ఇస్ అ పర్పస్ ఇన్ ద ఫిల్మ్. అండ్ దాట్స్ వై యునో లైక్ they are the biggest stars you can, like biggest actors like in Indian cinema. But when you actually talk to them and when you treat them as a fellow actor, when you treat them as a colleague, you know, your discussions and your everything becomes a lot more interesting. Like naku like Rajni sir is like Nana, you know, like the same experience I had while filming for Papanasam as well. Because, and also it's a blessing that you get those kind of stories, those kind of roles where you can have discussions like that. And with this film also with Pavan sir, I was able to see like how well he is with his language, like మాట్లాడుతున్నప్పుడు మనకి వినాలనిపిస్తుంది, you know, like he's just so strong with the way he speaks. So all of these things, like these are like tiny takeaways that I have. And naku all these experiences, especially with all of these major stars, it feels a lot more personal because of the kind of stories I was blessed to be a part of. So yeah, looking back at it, it feels wonderful.
సో ఫైనలీ ఐ వాంటెడ్ టు నో ఫ్రమ్ నివేద గారు, సో మీ అంటే ఒపీనియన్ కావచ్చు, మీ మీనింగ్ ఏంటి ఉమెన్ ఎంపవర్మెంట్ మీద?
I feel like it is necessary. It is, we should keep the conversation alive, like, and never back down. Like it is not that you have to physically go and fight against somebody, no, but whenever you have the chance, like stand up for yourself. It'll make a big impact for the rest of the people. Because nenu perigina like all these years of seeing my mom, seeing my dad, seeing my brother, seeing my friends, you know, like treat other women, men, it has always been like equality and women empowerment are two different things, but we need to get to a point where, you know, we are treated as equal as, you know, like another, like the male gender is. And it will not happen. It is unrealistic to think oka film tarvata janal maripotaru. No, it will never happen. It's very unrealistic to think of it like that. Kani, I'm glad that this film has yet again, like, it's helping in keeping the conversation alive about, you know, like the difficulties that we go through on a daily basis. Why we need to talk about, you know, what kind of precautions should women take before they leave the house. These are conversations that we should keep having. Like, and I'm glad that Vakil Saab also helped, you know, in keeping that conversation alive. And I really hope that there are better characters written for women in cinema, you know, and we get to play a lot more the parts that we are meant to play.